Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.
Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is str method, why we use and how we can use str method in Python. Normally, these type of methods are called Dunder or magic methods. We have lots of Dunder methods or magic methods in built-in Python modules. If you want to see what are these methods, you have to just type in one command, right? And just pass any coding use today. If you run it, so you will see lots of magic method. If you paste over here and try to find out the str method, you will see. So this str method is found there in built-in modules. Okay. We also have repr method also. There is a confusion between those methods, what is str and what is rpr method. However, they seems to be same, but there is a slight difference between those methods. So let's delete it. First, let's see what is Dunder or magic method. So Dunder methods are methods that allow instance of a class to interact with a built-in function and operators of the language. The word Dunder comes from double underscore because the name of Dunder method start and end with two underscores, right? Two underscores, you see. Typically, Dunder methods are not invoked directly by the programmer, making it look like they are called by magic. They are, that is why Dunder methods are also referred to as magic methods sometimes. Okay, so what is string method? This str method. So it is nothing but it returns a string representation of an object that is human readable, right? How it is human readable? Let's see with an example. Let's take a class employee. Okay, we have to define constructor. This is a Dunder method. In it you can see we will be taking first name and last name. So class is done. What we have to do, we have to create an instance of this employee class, let's say. Then if you want to print this object, so what you will get, you will get some a strange output as a string, like this is a memory address and this is a employee object, right? This is not readable form. Okay, sometimes it is useful to have a string representation of an instance of a class. To customize the string representation of a class instance, the class needs to implement the str magic method. Okay, internally Python will call the str method automatically when an instance calls the str method. Okay, note that the print function converts all known keyword arguments to string by passing them to str before displaying the string values. So what does that mean? It means it's a predefined method. Here we are saying just give us the string. It should be displayed like self dot first name, then it should be displayed, let's say, last name and bracket. Okay, so what we are saying just give us the human readable string. Okay, now let's run the program again. You see we get the readable output now because this string method we have override. Okay, and we have set our readable representation as per our need. Okay, previously how it was there, how we were displaying the object, it was unreadable form. Okay, there was some memory address along with the object name. So this is the str method. Why we have used? Because we want to get the string representation in our form. Okay,
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.